Model 2017 Citroen Relay 35 Heavy L4 Diesel 2.0 HDI Euro 6 Spares OR Repairs. Body white, panel van. Mileage 91,670. MOT the 9th of March 2024. Engine 1997 CCDW10 FUDA. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner head gasket needs replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 2 former keepers, air con, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,850. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.